Welcome to Southern Cross Go. Now today we're going to go down around Legian. We're going to go to Melasti Street and Garlic Lane. We're going to check out who's got the best breakfast. So let's get into that. So we're at the Garlic Lane restaurant and bar, the husband daycare centre. We're going to have breakfast, big breakfast. Check it out. All right, so this is my cafe latte. Looks pretty good. Let's try it out. It's a good coffee. It tastes good. I don't know what type of coffee they're using, but very nice. Thank you. Wow, that looks big, doesn't it?
Do you want any tomato ketchup?
No, thanks.
You're good.
All right, so the Garlic Lane restaurant and bar, and this is the big breakfast, and I tell you what, it looks damn good. So you get a little bowl of fruit salad with it as well, which looks really good. So I've got fried eggs, mushrooms, tomato, bacon, sausages, and a hash brown, and some baked beans. So we'll get rid of the baked beans, get rid of the thing, and some Anchor butter, which is good, some real butter. Wow, they give me a lot of toast. Okay, so look at this. It looks good, doesn't it? Eh? All right, so we'll check out, first of all, check out the bacon. All right, so it looks like it's beef bacon, actually. Anyway, that's okay. So try out the bacon and egg. Yeah, it's beef bacon. And taste garlic on the mushrooms, which is good. And the sausage is chicken sausage. Tomatoes are well done, and it looks like a homemade hash brown. Not too bad at all. All right, I'll hook into this. Well, that was very good actually. Let's try out a bit of fruit. Got a bit of semangka. Semangka is the name for watermelon in Indonesia. So I got banana, pisang, pineapple, nanas, and semangka watermelon. Very good. Okay, that was really good breakfast actually. You get the little touch of the fruit salad on the side, and it was really good coffee, so we'll see how much it costs. Thank you.
Have a good day.
It was a very good, nice breakfast, thank you.
Thank you.
All right, so they don't have the scan pay or anything, so got to pay cash, but that was all right. It was 130,000. Well worth it, very nice. It's on Garlic Lane. It's called the Garlic Lane Restaurant and Bar, the Husband Daycare Centre. Hello, how are you?
Oh, I'm good.
All right, so this morning we're at the Duke, and it's on Jl Melasti, yeah?
Yes.
It's on Jl Melasti. We're going to check out the breakfast and see what the breakfast is like. Okay, so we'll check out the menu. We're just here for breakfast. So we've got big breakfast, omelettes, bacon and egg burgers, eggs Benedict, eggs on toast, pancakes, smoothie bowls, and toast or cereal. But I'm just going to go the big breakfast. Let's get one big breakfast, please. So do you get a coffee with it?
Yeah, sorry for the big breakfast. What if you want? You want poached egg, scrambled, or fried egg?
Oh, it doesn't matter. Tessera, come on. Okay.
You want a coffee?
Yeah, this is a coffee.
What coffee you want? Cappuccino, latte?
Latte.
Latte? A small one or the big one?
A small one.
Small. Anything else?
No, that'll do, thank you. Thank you. It's got a quite large menu. They've got entrees, different things, salads. And it's a pretty good restaurant. Now, apparently here the pizzas are really good. There's a prawn and avocado pizza that is really top notch. And I've heard the lamb shanks are really, really good here. Pasta, schnitzels, they've got Wagyu beef steaks, burgers, you know, all sorts of things, pizzas there. Oriental dishes like Chinese food, Indonesian food, vegetarian food. Okay. Kids menu as well, and desserts. Pavlova, apple crumble, banana splits. All right, good stuff. Okay, so it's a really large area in here. Probably fit 100 people in here, seat. And also got a kids area at the back here for the kids. Hey, mate. A little play area for the kids. Yeah, it's good. Let the kids play while you sit here, have a nice dinner and a couple of drinks. Good stuff. Thank you. Okay, so I've got a cafe latte. That looks good. Let's try that out. Oh. It's not too bad actually. Coffee tastes good. There's a lot of milk in it. It's very milky. Cafe latte. First thing up. It's pretty good. Damn good coffee actually. Thank you. Wow, look at that. Looks pretty good.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you. Alright, so just check that out. It's got everything. I'll just put these baked beans to the side. So you've got scrambled eggs on toast, got sausages, bacon, fried potatoes, tomatoes with garlic on top, looks good, and some mushrooms, alright, and some real anchor butter, very good. So anyway, we'll hook into this and check it out, see what it's like. Alright, so let's check out this. I'm going to give you one slice of toast, but it's a pretty big slice. So they asked me what style of egg I wanted. I just said, look, it's up to you. So they got me scrambled eggs, so we'll just try that out. Toast is nice actually. It's done properly, not too cooked, not too undercooked or overcooked. And the bacon looks good. Let's just try a bit of this bacon. That is good bacon. Now Australians, we don't like that real crispy bacon like the Americans do, you know. So this is still a little bit soft, the bacon, but it's well done. So very good. All right. Potatoes are good. Still a little bit firm. They're not really fried or a lot, just lightly fried, and it tastes like there's a bit of garlic or something on them as well. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are good. Like those little button mushrooms. Check out the sausages, see what they're like. Hello. Thank you. I'm not sure whether they're chicken or beef. Beef sausages. Not too bad actually. They've sort of got herbs or something in them. Pretty good. And last thing to try is the tomatoes and garlic. It's a good touch. Got a couple of cloves of garlic on top. They're well done. A lot of places where you get them, they're still rock hard, but these are cooked very nicely actually. And you can taste the garlic on it. Alright, so I'm going to hook into this. I'll get back to you when we finish and we'll see what it costs. Alright, so that wasn't a bad breakfast at all. The typical big breakfast like you get everywhere else. I think it was about 100-something thousand. I'm not quite sure whether you actually got a coffee with a big breakfast, so we'll see what happens when we go to pay. And we'll do that now and see how much it costs. Breakfast was 145,000 with a coffee. Just paid with scan pay. Yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. Let's give you a look at the picture. Give you a look at the front of this place. It's called the Jerk and it's on Jl Melasti. Okay, you get on the bike and we'll head down the beach. Okay, so which one was the best breakfast you reckon? Now the Jerk was pretty good, but it was a little bit pricey and you just didn't get a coffee, which sort of, most big breakfasts around town, you get a coffee, even a juice, some fruit with it, you know. But anyway, it was still good, very good quality food. And the Garlic Lane Cafe, that was pretty well worth it. It was only 80,000. It's a good feed. And yeah, but you didn't get your coffee there either. So anyway, two good breakfasts to check out anyway, within the budget. All right, I hope you like that video. If you do, you know the drill, thumbs up and all that. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.